Hello, Mr. Squirrel. Are you enjoying that food? Go ahead. Continue. Just wanted to say hi. Scared the other two guys away. He's still eating. He's listening to me. I think it's going across because I can hear him. And you can hear me, right, buddy? The funny thing is, I'm standing right here watching this from a different angle, live right through my door while I'm watching my Ring camera and talking to it and recording this. So it's kind of weird. I'm seeing it two different angles at once. I'm just going to let him go, but I'm going to try to sit down without scaring him. I'm going to sit in my chair right here. He'll be right behind me. I'm just chilling, watching college baseball and watching the squirrel eat. So